This is after it's been put all together, though. It's supposed to be loading Windows right now. There we go. There we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. Even though the client didn't acknowledge that their screen was cracked, I'll be ordering. Look at all of this madness he has on this hard drive. Now remember, y'all, this was completely disassembled, motherboard replacement. Client had a drunk night, threw up all over the entire laptop. It soaked into the inside. Acid ate through the motherboard and other peripherals. But we got this thing back online, no doubt. You know, when you come to CenQ's conceptual concepts, don't look for disappointments. We'll work the bugs out. Don't catch a virus. And I'm out.